All right, everybody, here we are on the 1.8 classwork video. This is the last lesson in the packet. And today the goal is to get through numbers 1 through 5. And lesson 8 is kind of like a hodgepodge lesson. There's really one important thing that we're talking about, the value of a ratio. So that's what number 1 is about, just find the value of the ratio. Number 2 says to use the value of the ratio to determine which ratio is equivalent to 7 to 15. Show why or why not. So, well, the value of the ratio of 7 to 15, the value of this, we write it as a fraction, 7 over 15, and we cannot simplify that. So that's the value we're trying to get at. So if I took number 1, which is 21 over 45, and if you think about it, this one's a little trickier. I can divide both of these by 3. So that would leave me 21 divided by 3 is 7, and 45 divided by 3 is 15. So this one is all good. So we would circle this. They are equivalent. Now the next one, 14 over 45. 14 over 45. I cannot simplify this down, so this would be a no. That's the value there. And then 3 to 5. Well, 3 to 5, I cannot simplify down anymore. That does not match 7 to 15, so that would also be a no. And then the last one, 63 over 135. Again, this one's really big and it's a little hard. I can divide both of these by 9, and this would get me down to that 715, so that would be a good one. All right. And then number 4 and number 5, they want to know, are the ratios equivalent? So this kind of goes back to the question we did on the quiz on 1.3. So Mike has a ratio of 3 oranges for every 5 apples, so that would be 3 to 5. And then if he buys 9 oranges and 15 apples, are the ratios equivalent? So 9 over 15. We're trying to see, are they equivalent? So think, how do I get from 3 to 9? I'll multiply by 3. How do I get from 5 to 15? I'll multiply by 3, so you would say yes. Okay, same thing then for number 5. So hopefully this helps you out a little bit, and if you need any more help, you can always come to office hours or send me an email.